बद्धो बलिराजा दानवेन्द्रो महाबलः तेन त्वां प्रतिबध्नामि रक्षमाञ्चलमचलम् रक्षसूत्रं समर्पयामि।
जगदम्बा देवी जगदम्बा देवी जय 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 जगदम्बा देवी जगदम्बा देवी जगदम्बा देवी जय 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 जगदम्बा देवी माता शारदा देवी माँ शारदा देवी जय 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 माता शारदा देवी ओ माता शारदा देवी माता शारदा देवी जय 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 माँ शारदा देवी।
For Nigeria, it's not prasadam yet. When it is offered, our devotion and our love empowers the mantra, empowers the offering. And when we receive this after it is offered, we get prasad, the grace and the blessing of Divine Mother. So we focus. Om Sri Ganga Matayai Namaha Naivedya Atmaniyam Samarpayami Gratapakwan Bhavisyanam Payasam Sarkada Nanavidham Naivedya Om Ganga Mata Me Pratigrahata Iti Naivedyam Samarpayami. Of one power, 3 times. Boliye Ganga Mata Ki Jai, Mahalakshmi Mata Ki Jai, Mahapati Mahadev Ki Jai.
तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा पवन दिवे संकट हरनम अंबर मूरति आवन धन सीता सहितम हृदय बसौ जय 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 हनुमंताय जय जय कपीसाय जय 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 हनुमंताय जय 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 कपीसाय जय 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 हनुमंताय जय जय जय
Ganga Maiya, Maiya, O Ganga Maiya, Maiya, O Ganga Maiya, Maiya, O Ganga Maiya. मांगेला हम वरदाने है गंगा मैया, मांगेला हम वरदाने, मांगेला हम वरदाने है गंगा। We are asking Mother to see her, get her vardhan, get her blessing. We are already so blessed we are here. So lift your voices. मांगेला हम वरदाने है गंगा मैया, मांगेला हम वरदाने, मांगेला हम वरदाने है गंगा मैया, मांगेला हम वरदाने, मांगेला हम वरदाने मैया, ओ गंगा मैया, मैया, ओ गंगा मैया. The only thing that you are required to have right now is a piece of kush grass. And if there is enough of the rice grains, you can also take that. And you have to step in the water just on the river's edge. And you will be praying for your own pitris, your own ancestors. But this year we are asking that you also join us, the Gangadhara Tirath Committee, in remembering one of the very first persons who served as the chairman of the Gangadhara Tirath for more than half of its existence. He passed away last month. Of course, Gangadhara is, how many years this year? Yes. 32 or 33? 32. I think 33 would have been the very first time we came and we saw the place, but 32 years. So it's been a long time. And of course, many of those persons who were serving originally, they are now very elderly. And we have lost a few over the last few years. So remember, for the first Tarpan, Dinanath Maharaj.
So you know how to do Tarpanam. You are taking the water and you are with the kusa grass and you are pouring it between the finger, the index finger and thumb of the right hand. And don't worry, it has no mistake in this. You are in the lap of Ganga Mai, there is no such thing as mistake. Other place you could have mistake, but not. Ganga Mai is purifying and blessing and giving everything. So please at this time, let us start to offer the Tarpana. Om Dinanatha Tripyantam Ganga Jalam Tasmai Swadha Namaha. Om Asha Tripyatam Idam Satilangalang Ganga Jalam Tasmai Swadha Namaha. Okay, so now all of our pitras, we have come from some of us who, when I ask you to take, to offer, if they have departed, you offer. If they have not departed, then you don't offer. First, you continue offering for all those who are at the level of parents, and then grandparents and great-grandparents. So please offer with love. Om Pitribhya Swadhayabhya Swadha Namaha. All of us have come from our parents. Our parents came from their parents. And so too, their parents was Rishis and Munis. Who was parents of Rishi and Muni? Created by Brahma. Where Brahma has come from? The navel of Vishnu Bhagwan. So we are offering our true ancestors, we are offering from that period of time coming back from Brahma. So we are offering. Om Brahma Tripyatam, Om Vishnu Tripyatam, Om Rudra Tripyatam, Om Prajapati Tripyatam. They don't accept this. Maybe other people. But they also belong to Sri Krishna. He is Paramatma, they are also Atma. So it is our duty to ask, Prabhu, give your kripa and grace upon them. So just do it slowly, water little. Om Ojasyame Sahasyame Atmasyame Tanusyame Sharamashyame Varmashyame Inganishyame Tinishyame Purugangshitame Sharidanishyame Ayushyame Jarasyame Yagyena Kalpantam. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. Okay, the kusa grass, they offer it in Ganga and let us close. श्री शंकर भगवान की, गंगा माता की, हर हर महादेव. So my dear brothers and sisters, really at this time we are so happy that we have an opportunity in this most glorious place, most pure and holy place of Ganga Dhara, to celebrate Ganga Dashahara. We have heard so many times before in the messages given about Ganga Mata, how she came, why she came. She came, Bhagirath, he prayed to her and he asked, please come upon this earth. So my ancestors, the sons of Sagar, they will be given moksha. All that katha you will know. Today I want to talk a little bit of how lucky we are in this same Ganga that is flowing. This Ganga that is flowing here, we are part of this Ganga. We are dependent on Ganga. We are existing because of Ganga. And sometimes we are not paying attention to Ganga. How lucky we are to be part of her divine grace and blessing. Ganga Ma, the source of water, we are always using daily in our lives. Every part of our existence belongs to Ganga. When we are coming in this world as a baby, the first thing that we are asking, Panditji, a baby is born, we want to know when is the Chakhi and when is Barahi. So that the baby and mother will take bath. What day they will take bath? So taking bath in Ganga, that is important. Without that, nothing else will go on. But even before the baby comes, this is one of the practice that we have forgotten now. To get a good baby in our lives, we need to ask the grace of Guru. That, oh Guru, can you guide me and tell me when is the auspicious moment of when this child can be conceived? When is that special moment? So that was our practice, but now we forget. Now we are not looking for good children. If we look for good children and we look for the good time, going to Guru, we will ask, oh Gurudev, tell me the auspicious moment when my thoughts, the mother and father's thoughts will be focused on Bhagwan, for the grace of Bhagwan, so a good quality child will come. Most children that are coming today are accident. No one knows, they just find out afterwards. No dedication. How could we have good quality children when we are not preparing for good quality children? Take Ganga Snan. Bathe first and then you can go and ask Guru. So you see how important it is. So baby comes, baby is growing on every part of our life, all of us. We are doing puja. Every day we have to take bath, Ganga Ma. We have to do puja. Without Ganga Ma, we cannot do puja because Snanam is important. Some of us we have been taught, well, okay, very first we have to do Ganesh Ji puja, okay? Very first puja, Ganesh Ji puja. Look in Ganga Chalisa and you will see. In order to do Ganesh Ji puja first you have to do Ganga Snanam first. Ganga Snanam, then Ganesh Ji puja. Whatever we do, we are cooking Ganga Mata, we have to use. Every puja that we do, every yagya, every wedding, we are going for Matikur, right? We are going by river. These days we go by standpipe, I think. But we are going by Ganga Ma. We are taking the pure water from Ganga Ma. Then anything else in the wedding can take place. Okay? So wedding will take place. Then even at the time of death also, we have to offer. Here we are offering after, we are offering Tarpanam, Ganga Ma again. And when there is a funeral, you see one lady is called from the family. She represents Ganga. You know what that represents? People say, you could throw a lota of water across the road. Not throw a lota of water across the road. It is Ganga Ma. Our whole life we are doing puja and offering swaha, swaha, taking many different type of samagri, and we are offering a havan kund, swaha, swaha. One day will come when all of us, this body will become the prasad to offer on that big fire, that big havan. But we will offer swadha at that. But how it will be offered? It can only be offered only offering through Ganga. Because before offering prasadam, you must offer Achman. So we are doing with, before the body leaves, we are pouring, making a continuous flow of water across the road. Why? It represents Ganga Ma. Why? When you go to Kashi, you will understand that before cremation of that body, it is immersed into the Ganga itself, then put on the fire. But here our people came, they didn't have the river where to do it. So they remembered Ganga Ma, and with Ganga Ma mantras, this water is being poured continuously. So only when you pass through Ganga, then you can be cremated also. Ganga, Ga, and Anga. Ga means, in Sanskrit, from root, Gam, Gachati, which means always to go, to keep going, moving, always moving, continuous, never stagnant. Ganga. And Anga means every part of, every limb. When every limb will be moving, when every limb is in action, when every limb is dedicated to Sanatan Dharma, that is Ganga. Ganga Ma is giving us the opportunity that every Hindu must have quality of Ganga. What is the quality of Ganga? When mind will never be stagnant, always flowing. When actions will never be stagnant, our effort must never be stagnant, it must be flowing. Effort must be made to go towards Bhagwan, to do something for society, never be stagnant, that is Ganga. When our voices will be never stagnant, but only when we are doing meditation and things like that, some people still going on. But when we are doing Jai Jaikar especially, our mouth must never be stagnant at that time. So let us make sure that does not happen again. Bolo Shri Ganga Mata Ki! Jai! And with your body too, it must be given. Shri Ganga Maya Ki! Jai! So Jai Jaikar must not be stagnant. Then it is Ganga. So we are in this Ganga that is flowing. This Ganga that is so important to all of us in Trinidad. This country of Trinidad, island of Trinidad. This river is called what? Oh, Marian. Oh, Marayan. Marayanam, right? They are called it Marian River, but Marayanam, right? Sanskrit word Marayanam. Mar means death, to kill, or to take a good licking. Mar. And Ayanam means place. You know, like Ram Ayanam, Ramayana, place of Ram. So Mar, place of death. Here's a place of death. But death for what? Rogang shokang tapam papam harime bhagavati kumati kalapam. Death for what? Rogang shokang tapam papam and kumati. What is roga? Death to roga. Roga means all disease and suffering, physical suffering of the body. Roga maranam, marayanam. Roga marayanam. And if there's rog marayanam, if it is the death of roga, then you will have arogyam. Arogyam. That's the blessing. And then shokam. Shokam means all our worries and all the things that make our minds confused, troubling our minds. Roga. Roga marayanam. Roga marayanam. When Rogam shoka marayanam. When that finish, when that dies, the shoka, then we have ashokam. Ashokam. Rogam shokam tapam. Tapam means like fire. You are burning like fire. Suffering. So, tap marayanam. When that will die also, here it will die in Ganga. Ganga is all of these qualities. How to destroy and burn. Rogam, Shokam, Tapam. Then to stop burning now, from Tapam, Marayanam, you will get Tarpanam will come. That is what you have done here. You are offering Tarpanam. So, Rogam, Shokam, Tapam, Papam. Papam means all demerits. Some people say sin. It is not sin. Sin is another meaning. But all actions that create demerits in this life, that is Papam. Papa Marayanam. So when that finishes, death to Papam, then we will have what Punyam. We have blessings in this world. And then Harame Bhagavati Kumati Kalapam. Kumati. Kumati means, you know what, disunity. So if you destroy all this unity, Kumati Marayanam, when that finishes, when it dies, then we will have Sumati. Sumati means blessedness, unity. But you know what Kumati also means? Not only disunity, you know. Kumati. Mati means mind and Ku means bad, negative quality. When our minds become terrible and bad, then we will have disunity. But when our minds are pure, with the bath, taking the bath of Ganga Ma, because she is pure. Ganga Ma is not pavitra. You know, we are doing puja, we are doing a pavitra, pavitrova, sarvavasthangatopava, saying that, oh, what is unclean in me, what is impure in me, may you make clean. So Ganga Ma, we are taking the blessing with a pavitra to make pavitra. Pavitra means to be pure, right? And apavitra means impure. Then we are doing the achman and so on. But afterwards we still become the regular people. So pavitra means pure, but pavitra can still become impure again after. But Ganga is not impure. Ganga is pavan. Ganga is pavan. Pavan means once as you are pure, you can never be contaminated. And this is the Ganga that is flowing here. This is the Ganga that we are related to. This is the Ganga that we are blessed with. This is the Ganga that we are sitting in, we are standing in. And sometimes we are still thinking that, will I get the blessings of Ganga? We are already in the Ganga. This is the great blessing. But you know, one problem is that we are thinking, you know, we are going to do puja, and some people, even in Ganga, is asking me, Panaji, give me the Achman. Why? You want to become here? You are in Ganga. Ganga is purifying at every moment. So our thinking must be pure. Our thinking must be correct. Our thinking must be today and now. Not next year, that one day Ganga Ma will bless me. No. Why not now? Why not now? Feel the transformation. Feel emotionally. Feel physically. Feel spiritually. Embrace 100%. This is what Ganga Ma is teaching us. Then we are totally transformed. It's not about when we will be blessed. We are blessed because of Ganga Ma. And in this country, Trinidad, we are supposed to be happy that in this highest part of Trinidad, Trinidad, it's really Trinidad, but we are saying Trinidad. What is, if we are to be patriotic, we are supposed to be patriotic as Hindus. If we are to really be patriotic, we should understand what in this same Trinidad that this Ganga is flowing. And what is Trinidad? Tri means tree. And what is Ni? Siroji? Ni? Ni is the highest note in the scale when you are singing. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni. That is the highest note that there is. Ni. So three Ni and Nad. You know what is Nad? Nad means sound. Brahmanad is Om, divine sound. So if we are to really be patriotic to Trinidad, then you know what we should do in the morning very early and every time? Then chant Om, Nad 3 times. But how you will chant? We have harmony. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni na om. What? Ni शंकर भगवान की, विष्णु भगवान की, ब्रह्मा का मंडल की, श्रीनाथ टोबैगो देश की, हर हर महादेव. Many things more to say, but we can think about this. Hari Om. Thank you so much.
Dust and water were brought here and consecrated at Kapil Prayag, which is beyond where we do the Visarjan. So the whole consecration to make here Gangadhara, it was done in 1997, I think, so we're almost 30 years. So that is one. And the second is, whenever we go for any spiritual experience, even when we are doing puja at home, or we go to yajna, satsang, for these such vrats, festivals, we don't like the word festivals too much. Panditji mentioned about pap, that it is not sin, it is demerit. In Trinidad right now, there's a whole debate on the demerit system for when we are driving on the road. There is no time in life when we are not driving. So be very conscious about your demerit points when you are driving through life. So I just thought I'd emphasize this Panditji. So very wonderful the way he has linked everything. We will be organizing shortly for taking our multi for Visarjan.
Vande Pannaga Bhushanam Mrigadharam Vande Pashunam Patim Vande Surya Shashanka Nayanam Vande Mukunda Priyam Vande Bhaktya Janashrayan Shavardam Vande Shivam Shankaram Om Ambe Ambike Ambalike Namana Iti Kaschana Samasyaswakaha Samudrikam Kama Pilavasinim Om Shanti Shanti Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Garudadvaja Mangalam Pundarikaksham Mangalayatano Hari Om Shanti 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 Hari Om.
Not by chance, Shiva. Shiva, the Vishnav, and he has his London today, and then he will go by for the Vigyanti, and they will both give this child this certificate so he can have it and see it when he grows up. Boliye Ganga Mata ki Jai, Shankar Bhagwan ki Jai. But look how he likes Pandit Vigyan. Probably because they have the same hairstyle. Made from clay, and it is taken for the Visarjan. This is also about the whole cycle of creation, of coming into being and also going out of being. All of these things we can't explain. So the Murti will be brought right in front of us here, right? And we will start the Arti. You will be given the little floating boats. We are trying now, we are not using the coconut, but we have the floating boats. You will take it, all the flowers, everything, it will be going with us to the deeper point of the river for the Visarjan. Be sure to carry this with you, hold it carefully. It will be lit just before the Visarjan. So I'm reminding those who are organizing, we have to have the sari, the piece of cotton. We have to have the instruments for lighting the boat. Maya, oh Ganga Maya, Maya, oh Ganga Maya, Maya. Turn around right there. Maya, Maya, oh Ganga Maya, Maya, oh Ganga Maya, Maya, oh Ganga Maya. गंगा की आरती मीरा बराती गंगा की आरती
बार जो तेरी शरणागति आता, मैया शरणागति आता, यम की त्रास मिटा कर, यम की त्रास मिटा कर परम गति पाता।